Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Begin by opening Controls and going to the Software section to see available updates. Choose Install Now to update immediately or Schedule to pick a convenient installation window. Confirm that no driving is planned during the update and that all occupants are aware. The car may restart its systems and show progress on the touchscreen, so remain patient. If prompted, follow any additional on-screen instructions to finalize the update safely and cleanly. If you're enjoying the walkthrough, please subscribe and like the video to help us keep making helpful guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice as a small, funny upgrade for your cabin air. I placed the product link and other deals in the description for easy access, so check there if you want to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If updates stall, try restarting the touchscreen by holding both steering wheel scroll wheels until it reboots. Reconnect to Wi-Fi or move closer to the router to improve signal and resume downloads. If the update repeatedly fails, attempt a power cycle by going to Safety and Security and selecting Power Off, then wait 1 minute before rebooting. Keep records of any error codes and contact Tesla support if problems persist to ensure a proper resolution.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.